saw this all over my feed, but is it really as revolutionary as they say? Let's dive in. Back in 1945, a scientist named Percy Spencer accidentally melted a chocolate bar in his pocket. Curiosity sparked, he experimented with radar technology and discovered something amazing. Fast forward, the first microwave oven was born. Not a miracle appliance at first, but it changed cooking forever. Today, microwaves are in almost every kitchen, making life easier. Who knew a melted candy bar could lead to this? So next time you heat up leftovers, remember the happy accident that made it possible. Join the #MicrowaveMagic and share your favorite microwave meals.